Hi everyone! Welcome back to Buona's Kitchen. Today we will make French macaron. French macaron is a delicate meringue-based cookie sandwich primarily made of ground almonds, icing sugar, egg whites, and sugar. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the macarons, we will need 3/4 cup of ground almond, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 egg whites from 2 medium eggs, gel food coloring, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the French buttercream, we will need 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 5 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half cup of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of water. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a blender or food processor, combine together the almond flour or ground almond and icing sugar and blitz them together for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After blitzing, sift the dry mixture. And set this aside. In a bowl, add the egg whites and using a hand mixer on a medium setting, beat the egg whites until it reaches soft peaks. Then gradually add the white sugar and continue beating until you form stiff peaks. Don't forget as well to add the salt. Then, add in as well the food coloring of your choice. I'm using red gel food coloring. Now, add in the dry ingredients into the meringue into 2 to 3 addition. Fold them gently until you reach the ribbon stage wherein the mixture flow like a lava and doesn't break. Make sure to not overmix so that macarons will not flatten during baking. Then, transfer the mixture into a piping bag fitted with round tip. Now, pipe the mixture into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. By the way, I'm using here a macaron template. I downloaded this from Google and printed it. After piping, don't forget to take off the template, but do it gently to prevent the macarons from deforming. After piping, tap the tray to release air bubbles. And if there are visible bubbles left on top, just use a toothpick to poke them. Repeat the procedure with the remaining mixture. Let this rest and dry for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once it's dry to touch, bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to rotate the tray around 7 minutes. After baking, let this completely cool. While waiting to cool down, prepare the buttercream. In a pan over medium heat, add the water and white sugar and let it boil until it reaches 115 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, add in the egg yolks. Beat them together until it becomes pale yellow and the consistency becomes thick. And once the sugar syrup is ready, gradually add it into the egg yolk mixture and continue beating until the mixture has cooled down. Once the mixture has cooled down, gradually add the butter and continue beating until it becomes fluffy. Add in the vanilla extract. Transfer the buttercream in a piping bag fitted with the round tip. Now pipe a dollop into one of the macaron and sandwich it with another macaron. And here's our finished product! Macarons are crispy in the outside, soft and chewy in the inside. I hope you'll give this a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!